Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and like the saying goes, a picture's worth 1,000 words. So why not take as many pictures as you can to capture all your beautiful memories? And you're not going to find a better quality camera than the Canon EOS Rebel T3i series. This was an anniversary gift to me from my husband because one of our favorite hobbies to do together is take pictures. And this is such a great camera. It can take 12 megapixel pictures. It has so many settings up here on the top. It has the ADAP, manual, AV, TV, P. It also has easy settings like portrait, landscape, macro, action, nighttime, and you can even take videos. What's nice about this is that it actually shows you the light exposure that the picture is going to take. And then when it's in video mode, you're going to hit that same button to start and stop your recording. I really like all of the button options that they have. You can easily play, delete, scroll, set a timer, set continuous shot, just with a few clicks of a button. Now, one of my favorite features of this camera is the display screen and how you can easily open it and protect the glass display screen. It takes such great high quality pictures. It's so easy to use and I absolutely love it. And that's my point of view.